Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beading, and in this video I want to share with you a quick tip for keeping your chain organized and preventing it from knotting. So I must admit I usually keep my chain like this. It is a mess, and sometimes I even have to cut out some of the pieces because I can't get the knots out. So I wanted to find a way that was really simple to organize it and would keep it nice and tidy for future use. So I have these things right here, and you're probably familiar with what this is. It usually goes like this. This is a kidney ear wire for earring hooks, and it latches and comes in a variety of sizes and finishes, and they're usually quite inexpensive as well. So I had these around, and then I had all my chain. I thought, well, wow, could I use those as a little hook? And it turns out I can. So this is about 6 feet of chain on here, and what's nice is you can drop it. You can do things with it. It can go around in your drawers and your bins, and it's still going to stay really nice and neat. And then when you want to use some of it, you just unlatch the top, you find the end, and you just pull it off. And then when you want to put it back, all you're going to have to do is just go through one of the chain links. And that's just a really neat and easy way of organizing it. So I'm going to show you this with a fresh kidney ear wire and another piece of chain. So I have the gold one right here, and it is open. So what you're going to do is you're just going to find your end chain link. Go ahead and latch it on, just like so. Then you're going to go down 3-4 inches, another 3-4 inches, and you're just going through the actual chain links. And this works for many feet of chain. And of course, if you have a bigger kidney ear wire, you can do even more chain. And then I like to latch the end as well, so I don't have just a loose piece. But then you go ahead, close it on up, and now you can hang this on a hook. You could put it in a drawer, you could put it wherever you might want to, and it's going to stay nice and organized, and it's not going to become knotted, and you're going to be able to just get to it whenever you want. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and we have many more of them over at beadaholic.com.